Good morning. Good morning, students. Today, we'll take next numerical from sheet number one. That is simple stresses and strain. So today we'll take numerical on tensile test. So first of all, let's write the numerical. The numerical is a specimen of 60 mm diameter. The numerical is a specimen of 60 mm diameter. A specimen of 60 mm diameter subjected to tensile test. Subjected to tensile test. It is given that a specimen of 16 mm diameter subjected to tensile test. Following observations were recorded. Following observations were recorded. Following observations were recorded. Gauge length is equal to 200 mm. Gauge length is 200 mm. Gauge length is given as 200 mm, and it is given that a specimen of 16 mm diameter of specimen is 16 mm diameter subjected to tensile test. Means tensile loading is applied. Following observations were recorded. Gauge length is 200 mm, and in a tabular form, data is given, that is load. First column, load in kilometer is given. Then extension, deformation. Extension is deformation. Extension in mm. Deformation in mm, and some remarks are given. So in tabular form, some data is given. There are four terms are there. Four conditions are given as First, load, then extension, and then remarks. Load, 14 kilonewton is given as load and having deflection 0.25, and these values are given for elasticity. That is elasticity. For elasticity, load is given as 40 kilonewton. Deflection, deformation, extension is given as 0.25 mm, and it is for elasticity. Second, 42 kilonewton load is applied, and 42 kilonewton load is applied and deformation is 0.26. 0.26. These values are given for yield load. For yield load. For yield loading, load is given, deformation is given. The next, for maximum load or for ultimate stress, the values are given 61 kilonewton. Load applied is 61 kilonewton and deformation is 37 mm. 37 mm. That is maximum load. For maximum load, load is given 61 kilonewton and deformation, the extension is given as 37 mm. And these values are given for maximum load or ultimate load. Maximum load or ultimate load. Okay. Then last one, fracture. If fracture occurs, then it is given as for loading 59 kilonewton fracture occurred, and extension deformation is given as 50 mm. That is extension, and these values are given for fracture. So the numerical is we have to find what or determine, right? Determine what? First, yield stress. We have to find first yield stress. Second is ultimate stress. Ultimate stress. Third, we have to find modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity. Third unknown that we have to find modulus of elasticity. And fourth, percentage reduction in area. Percentage reduction. Percentage reduction in area. Percentage reduction in area if diameter of neck, if diameter of neck is 10 mm. Diameter of neck is 10 mm. Okay, that we have to find what yield stress, ultimate stress, modulus of elasticity, percentage reduction in area if diameter of neck is 10 mm. Okay, so we have to solve this numerical. Means solve means what? We have to find these four unknowns. How to find these four unknowns? First, we have to find what? Yield stress. How to find yield stress? We have yield stress. First, sigma y. We have to find sigma y. Stress is nothing but load upon area. Here we have to consider what? For yield loading. Here we consider sigma y is equal to Py upon area. Py is nothing but yield load, and yield load is given as 42 kilonewton. 42 kilonewton means in terms of Newton, it is 42 into 10 raised to 3 Newton divided by area. How to find area? We have an equation or formula to find area of bar. Specimen of 16 mm diameter means bar is given. Bar, circular bar. For circular bar, area of cross section is pi by 4 d square. That here we have to find area by using formula is equal to pi by 4 d square. Then second unknown, how to find second unknown? Ultimate stress. Ultimate stress, that is sigma u. How to find ultimate stress? We have equation again. Stress is nothing but load upon area. Here use sigma u for ultimate loading. Ultimate stress is equal to P u upon area. Pu means what? Ultimate load. Ultimate load means what? Maximum load. Ultimate load is also called as maximum load upon area of cross section. That is pi by 4 d square. How to find area of cross section? Pi by 4 d square. And Pu is nothing but ultimate load. Maximum load is 61 kN. Means it is in terms of Newton. 61 into 10 raised to 3. Then third, modulus of elasticity. How to find modulus of elasticity? We have equation. Which equation? Delta L is equal to PL by A into E. We have equation delta L is equal to PL by A into E. Here we have to find what? E, modulus of elasticity. By rearranging this formula, we have to find modulus of elasticity. Delta L is known, P is known, L is known, A is known. For bar or for specimen. P is load applied. For elasticity, load is given as 40 kN. Then delta L deformation. Delta L is nothing but deformation for elastic nature of bar. Elasticity 0.25 is equal to and length of bar is given as 200 mm. That is L. So from this you can easily find modulus of elasticity. And fourth one is percentage reduction in area. Diameter of neck is 10 mm. How to find percentage reduction in area? We have percentage reduction in area. Formula is how to find percentage reduction in area. Original area minus reduced area. Original area minus reduced area. Reduced area divided by original area into 100. Divided by original area into 100. We have to use this formula. Percentage reduction in area is nothing but original area minus reduced area divided by original area. So let us find one by one unknown. First of all, find sigma y. Okay. Sigma y is equal to first Py upon area. Loading or yield stress. For yield stress, Py is 42 into 10 raised to 3 divided by area. How to find area? Area of bar is nothing but pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 bar. Diameter of bar is 60 square. By calculation, area is 201.06 Newton per sorry, mm square. Here in terms of mm square, 201.06 mm square. So here 201.06, and by calculation yield stress is equal to 208.89 Newton per mm square. First answer that we have to find what? 208.89 Newton per mm square. Then second unknown is we have to find ultimate stress. How to find ultimate stress? Sigma u ultimate stress, sigma u is equal to ultimate load upon area. Ultimate means maximum load. That's how to take here. Ultimate load value is 61 into 10 raised to 3 in terms of Newton. 61 load upon area is 201.06. That we have to already find the area 201.06. By calculation, this ultimate stress is equal to 303.39 Newton per mm square. 39 Newton per mm square. Then third unknown is E, modulus of elasticity. How to find modulus of elasticity? We have equation delta L is equal to here by AE. By rearranging this equation, E, modulus of elasticity is PL upon delta L into A. By rearranging this, we have to E, that is we have to shift this E from denominator to the left side. Okay, new equation as E is equal to PL upon delta L into A. Here P is nothing but load, that is for modulus of elasticity, load applied is, or modulus of elasticity for this property, load applied is 40. Means this P is 40 into 10 raised to 3. 40 into 10 raised to 3 into L, length. The numerical is given length. Gauge length is 200 mm. Means into 200 divided by extension delta L. For elasticity, delta L is 0.25 or deformation 0.25 into area of cross section. Area of cross section is 201.06. So by calculation, we get answer for modulus of elasticity E. Modulus of elasticity E is equal to 1.592 into 10 raised to 5 megapascal into 10 raised to 5 megapascal. Third unknown. Here find third unknown as E, modulus of elasticity. E, how to find E? We have equation PL upon delta L into A. And from this, by calculation, we get answer for modulus of elasticity. And last, fourth, percentage reduction in area. How to find percentage reduction in area? Percentage reduction area. Formula is original area minus reduced area upon original area into 100. Original area is pi by 4 d square. Means pi by 4 16 square is the original area. Reduced area formula is same pi by 4 d square. But here you have to consider reduced diameter. Diameter of making as 10. Here it is given that point percentage reduction in area if diameter of neck is 10 mm. Yes, you have to find what area for this reduced area is pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square is here 10 mm. By calculation we get reduced area A dash is equal to 78.54 mm square, and area original area is 201.06 mm square. That we have already find out. Area, that is original area is 201.06. So we have to just put here A as 201.06 minus reduced area is 78.54 upon original area 201.06 into 100 into 100. And by calculation we will get percentage reduction in area. Means we have to calculate this term 201.06 minus 78.54 upon 201.06 into 100. So by calculation, percentage reduction in area is 60.94 percentage. 60.94 percentage. Fourth unknown is percentage reduction in area, and we find percentage reduction in area as 60.94 percentage. So in this way, you have to solve this numerical for tensile loading, tensile test. So today we'll stop here. Thank you.